In child care centers, keeping changing tables clean isn't just about tidiness, it's about protecting the health and safety of every child in your care. During a diaper change, germs and bacteria can easily spread from the diaper surface to the table, to the caregiver's hands, and even nearby supplies. That is why following proper cleaning and disinfecting procedures after every diaper change is so very important. We want to prevent illness, protect children, and follow the sanitation rules. So to do the job right, make sure you have a spray bottle with soapy water, a spray bottle with rinse water. This step is optional but highly recommended. And then a disinfectant spray bottle. This is typically a chlorine bleach solution that is between 5 and 800 parts per million. You need clean paper towels and some kind of clock or timer to keep track of your time. We want to make sure that the bottles are correctly labeled, your disinfectant is the correct strength, and never mix different solutions. So let's walk through the correct steps. Spray the surface of the changing table with soapy water. Wipe the table thoroughly to remove any visible soil, residue, or bodily fluids. Next, spray the surface with rinse water to remove any leftover soap. Use a fresh paper towel to wipe the surface down. Again, this step is optional, but recommended to remove all soap residual. Now, take your disinfectant solution and spray it on the table. This should always measure between 5 and 800 parts per million to be effective and safe. Allow the disinfectant to sit on the surface for at least 2 minutes. This is the contact time needed to clear germs. After the 2 minutes, you may wipe the surface with a clean paper towel or allow it to air dry completely before the next use. Remember, cleaning and disinfecting must be done after every diaper change. Keep all cleaning bottles clearly labeled and store safely out of reach of children. When we follow these steps, we prevent the spread of germs like Shigella or norovirus. We protect the children and staff, and we maintain a healthy and happy center. A few minutes of cleaning after every single diaper change makes all the difference in the world. Healthy habits start here.